Greetings to you all. Welcome to Pooja's Learnings. In this module, we are going to cover the basic of computers. 21st century is the century of computer, where computer has made its presence in almost every field of human life. Even it started its journey before the development of electricity. But now it is impossible for the people of 21st century to think a world without computer. How pathetic. So, computer education is very much essential for the people of this generation. Let's start. The abbreviation of computer. C means common, O means operating, M means machine, P for purposely, U means used for, T means technological, and E means educational. R is basically resources. Commonly we know that common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational resources. In fact, computer means calculate or compute some operation, which is invented by Charles Babbage. A computer is an electronic device that can take raw data as input and retrieve the process output to manipulate it, which means input, process, and output. Even we know that is the simplest workflow of computer. Now we know about the inventor of the computer or inventor of the computer. The first computer resembled the modern machine, which was invented by Charles Babbage. Even we call them father of the computer. He was invented in the year 1833 and 1871. He developed the analytical engine and worked around 40 years. Then it becomes a mechanical computer, even enough powerful to perform the simple calculation. That we know that computer is a calculating device. We discuss about what is IPO. IPO means input, process, and output. Input means the data or instruction that are entered into the computer. Input means the data or instruction that are entered into the computer, which means that an user keeps to computer, even it comes from keyboard, mouse, or vice versa. Then we know about process. What is process? The computer work on the data, performing calculation or other operation. In fact, other side we know that it is called a medium of operation also. And the last part is output. What is output? The result of the processing is displayed over the monitor. Or computer give result to the user is known as output. And this is the simplest workflow of IPO cycle or input process output cycle. Okay, here we complete this topic, and in the next class we will discuss about generation of computer.